You are sending server-side events to GA4 blind. No idea if the payload is correct until you check reports 24 hours later and find nothing. GA4's validation endpoint tells you exactly what's wrong in real time before a single event goes live. Here's how to use it. Hi, I'm Zubayer, Marketing Attribution, Conversion Tracking and Server-Side Tracking Specialist. Today, GA4 Measurement Protocol Validation Endpoint. How to test every server event parameter before pushing to production. The GA4 Measurement Protocol is a server-to-server API that lets you send events directly to GA4 from your backend without the browser. Use cases include server-side GTM, CRM offline conversions, mobile app backend events, and even IoT data. The problem, if your payload has missing required parameters or wrong data types, GA4 silently drops the event. No error, no warning, events just disappear. The validation endpoint shows you all errors before they cost you data. Standard measurement protocol endpoint post to googleanalytics.com/mp/collect, including your measurement ID and API secret. Validation endpoint, just change the URL, post to google-analytics.com/debug/mp/collect. The debug version does not send data to GA4, it only validates the payload and returns a JSON response with every error it finds. Zero risk. Open Postman, create a new post request. Use the debug URL and ensure your measurement ID and API secret are in the query parameter. Find your API secret in GA4 admin under data streams. Select your stream, then measurement protocol API secrets and create a new one. Set headers to content type application JSON. In the body, paste your raw JSON with client_ID and the events array containing your parameters. Click send. A clean response with an empty validation messages array means your payload is valid. You can now switch to the production endpoint. If there is an error, the response identifies exactly where it is, like an invalid currency code or a missing required field. Use this to test your server GTM tags, open preview mode, trigger an event, and copy the exact payload from the request body. Paste it into Postman, use the debug endpoint and send. Fix any errors before you republish. This catches issues before they break your data. The results: zero silent data loss, every parameter validated, and total confidence that your GA4 reports reflect real server-side events. If your GA4 server events are disappearing, message me on WhatsApp or book a free audit. I'll trace the payload and find the issue. Subscribe for weekly tracking tutorials. Don't scale ads with broken tracking. Fix the infrastructure first.